There's a stranger living in your genome. It isn't imaginary, it's literal. Ancient viruses crawled into our ancestors' DNA and never left. At first that sounds like science fiction, but this is why you exist. Millions of years ago, a virus infected a germ cell. Instead of killing it, the virus stitched a copy of itself into the chromosome. That viral hitchhiker got handed down, generation after generation. Over time, those viral pieces piled up. Today, a huge chunk of our DNA is made of ancient viral and mobile elements. Here comes the shock. Some of those viral leftovers didn't just sit there. They were repurposed. They were rewired by evolution and turned into tools. One of the most dramatic examples rewrote reproduction. An ancient viral envelope gene was co-opted and became a protein called syncytin. Syncytin glues cells together in the placenta. Without it, complex placentas and mammals as we know them might never have evolved. A viral protein made mother and baby share blood without rejecting each other. That's only the start. Another viral descendant quietly shaped memory. A gene called ARC in your brain came from a virus-like element. ARC builds capsid-like particles that ferry RNA between neurons. It's literally using a virus trick to let neurons talk and store memories. Pause and imagine that. Components of an ancient enemy now underlie the machinery of thought and feeling. But evolution is messy. Sometimes these viral relics help. Sometimes they hurt. They've sparked bursts of innovation, new genes, new regulation, new traits. And they can also destabilize the genome, trigger disease, or be reawakened at the wrong time. Scientists are discovering that these viral fossils act like a hidden toolkit. They tweak gene expression, create switches that turn whole networks on or off, and even seed novel proteins. When an organism faces a new challenge, having a stash of genetic parts to repurpose speeds up change. That may explain sudden leaps in evolution. Not gradual tweaks, but wholesale reboots powered by viral parts being mixed into host genomes. We used to think viruses were only predators. Now we see them as genetic engineers, fierce, messy, creative. They rewired pregnancy, rewired neurons, rewired immune defenses. So when you feel compassion, remember, part of you carries the signature of a fossilized war. When you remember a face, you're using a mechanism stolen from a long-dead invader. You are, in a very real sense, an accidental collaboration between ancient viruses and the lineage that became human. If that blew your mind, hit follow for more stories that flip what you thought you knew about life. Share this so someone else can discover their part virus too.